not a robot. I just need the Band-Aid. Whoa! That's a lot of Band-Aids.
Do you feel better?
I think ice cream would help.
Better?
No! Maybe if I had some candy. Wow! Yummy!
Better?
Oh, I think what I really need is a balloon. Maybe a red one? No, a blue one. Or maybe a yellow one? I'm going up. And I ate too much candy.
Do you feel better now?
No! Save me, Baby Bot.
I can save you!
Whew. Thank you, Baby Bot.
Are you better now?
I always feel better when I'm with you. No, thanks.
Let's go to the beach! Yay!
Baby Bots, back your tails! But I wanted to go to the
Swimming, swimming, swimming! I'm okay!
Look on the bright side. This is a perfect day for coloring.
Look, Cowy! The beach!
I want the real beach.
Look on the bright side!
It's still not the real beach.
I know, Cowy, but it's raining. We can't go.
Thanks for cheering me up, Baby Bot.
Let's go to the beach!
Finally, I can get some work done. Oh no! I didn't save!
I'm sorry, Mom. But look on the bright side. It's a perfect day for drawing.
Wow!
Angry! I'm so angry!
What's wrong with Baby Bot? Baby Bots, back your tails!
Ow! Now I'm even angry!
Don't you want to play?
No.
How about dancing?
No.
Oh! Billy! There's something wrong with BabyBot. BabyBot is really angry, and I don't know why. You think all this stuff will make BabyBot happy? Billy, this is not working. Please come see what's wrong with BabyBot. See? He's angry again. I think I know what's happening. See? BabyBot just wants to play with you, Billy. You have to go back to work? Really? But... Happy Halloween! Wait, where's Billy? BabyBots, back your tails! He can't see without them. Billy? Come back, Billy. Billy! 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 That's Billy! 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 There you are!
Where are your glasses, Billy? Oh, yeah!
Superheroes don't wear glasses? Are you kidding me? You're always the one getting us out of trouble.
Like that time you fixed catch me when I lost my arms and legs.
Some might say you're smarter than me. Cowy, where's your crown?
My crown! It's gone! My costume is ruined! Ruined! My crown! Oh, Billy! You're my hero! Super Billy!
Superheroes do wear glasses. I am Queen Lisa.
Baby bots, that's your tails! Your Majesty!
Cowy, Baby Bot, as my loyal subjects, I request that you build me a castle.
A castle?
Yes, like this. No. The Queen wants this.
Your Majesty, that's huge!
Fit for a queen.
Okay.
Hey, don't put the flag there. Put it on the side. Nah, the other side. Nuh-uh. No. Nah. No. No. Cowy, the Queen wants the castle to be pink.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Did I say pink? I meant yellow.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Too yellow. Why not pink?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Yellow. Pink. Yellow. Pink. Yellow. Pink. Yellow. I said yellow. Being a queen is exhausting. Get back to work. Oh no. What have I done? My friends have gone bananas. Sorry.
What?
Sorry.
What did she say?
Cowy, Baby Bot, I'm so sorry. Thank you so much for building the most amazing castle ever. The Queen formally invites you to drink tea at her castle.
But you don't have a castle anymore.
Maybe not, but I have my friends.
Yay! Tea time! This tea is exquisite.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday! You can have the first piece of carrot cake.
Carrot cake? Ugh, no! Baby bots, that's your tails!
But Cowy, you love carrot cake.
Ugh.
You should at least try it.
No! I'm never trying it!
Cowy! Cowy! Oh, there you are. It's okay if you don't want to try the carrot cake, Cowy. You used to think strawberries were gross.
Huh?
Remember?
Tasty, tasty! That's gross! But now I love strawberries, Mom.
What? Really?
Yeah, but that's different.
And you didn't like cucumbers either. Remember?
Cucumber's disgusting. Ugh. Ew. cucumber.
Really?
Yeah, but that's totally different. I'm never trying carrot cake.
Okay, Cowy, I'm not gonna force you, but let's go back to the party, okay?
Okay.
Happy birthday to you.
The last piece of carrot cake. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do do. Carrot cake is delicious. Mom, can I have more carrot cake, please?
That was the last piece.
I want more. Can we have carrot cake next year?
Yes, of course.
More songs, activities, and podcasts on our YouTube channels.
That was fun.